This is my ram, and this is the connecting, and these are the wheels, and I almost forgot that these are the lights for the ram, and these are a nice ram. You see the wheels, and up here it's Ripple B, and here are the luces, and here are the another ones. There's Ripples B again. There's the Yentas, and there's a thing. What does it say? 5. It's a pretty good thing. What's it looking say? I'll show you. Just wait a minute. And here's, that's a good one. And these are the things to go fast. You see, these are the luces right there. 200 miles. Look, 7. And then here it tells you if you don't have any gas or you do have gas. And this tells you out of the battery, and it does have battery. So then if we have the radio, it's gonna come out when I turn it on. It's a good thing. And here's another seat. Want to see it? I can show you right now. It's right here. You see that? It's right there. And want to see? Turn it on. I will show you. Just wait for a minute. There's a motor. It's pretty fast, but don't go too fast because this baby goes really fast. I was talking about that. So if you want to, this is a good truck. You see that? That's the baby and stuff. It's a ram. And you want to see more stuff? Just something, and it's gonna be on YouTube, and you want to see it. Bye, guys. And this is my favorite truck ram, and it's a good ram. Goodbye. That's good.